Alright, so what I'm doing on these doors, I already have these 1, 2, 3, 5 done, is the placement of the handle. I want it to be centered and as close to the edge as possible. All I'm doing is pretty easy. Put that in general to start with. I've already measured the width of the board, so I know that 5 1/4 is where I need to center this. And then all I do to make an impression is I push down on the handle. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but we'll try it right there. Take a drill gun, find the right bit that fits the screws. So that once I'm done, the only thing I will have to do is this screw is a little bit too long. I could either get shorter screws or I can find a bunch of washers so that once this is on, all I have to do is put some washers in there and that'll make it nice and snug. So these will be my doors going along the front of the face frame for the kitchen. Alright, so my next step in these, in the video I did just before this, I put some wood putty into these holes, and it's actually supposed to be stronger than wood. I've used it before on other stuff. It's working pretty well. So what I'm going to do now initially is by hand sand these down, get it smooth, and ultimately I'll be using a sander to make sure that there's a complete smooth finish. These holes, I don't know if I mentioned them, but I put these in. These are where the handles are going to be going.